If you own a Samsung device, then there are some hidden features you must know about. Like if you go to phone app and contacts, then select your contact which will appear first and then click on edit option and choose gallery, then you can set any image as your custom profile picture. But the really cool thing is you can also choose a GIF as your background. And this will not only affect on your phone, but this will be visible on all of your friends' phone provided they have turned on profile picture sharing. You can also set a custom GIF profile picture for your friend or family's contact list. So just select their contact, click on this eye icon, go to edits, click on profile and then select from gallery. This is a really cool feature. And this next feature will save a lot of your time. So go to display, then scroll down a bit and go to navigation bar and turn on this circle to search option. Now whenever you want to search anything on screen, just hold on to your home screen button and circle that thing. It will give you results immediately. Also, if I want to copy anything from screen, just follow the same process and choose the text and copy it easily on your clipboard. That's such a time-saving feature. Followed by this feature, there's another dope trick you can do with your Samsung keyboard. So whenever I am chatting, I can select this three dot icon and choose extract text option. It will pop up camera and you can basically scan any text and send it right away without typing any word. That's just mind-blowing feature. So if you go to camera, then open settings option from above and scroll down a bit, you'll find a grid line option. So turn it on. So next time whenever you are taking a picture, it will show you this line in middle to let you know if you are taking a straight shot or need a little bit of tilt to make it right. Cool. Next trick you can do is in gallery. So for example, here I have one picture, but I don't want this shadow. But now you can remove it like this. So choose any photo from gallery, click this edit icon and go to this last section. Now here in object eraser tool, you will find this erase shadow option and now it will work its AI magic. And also when you're sharing any image from gallery, you'll see this little remaster icon. So what it does is, it will remaster the photo like tilt correction, some little bit of lighting correction before sending that image. And yeah, those were some tricks or you can say some cool features you must know about your Samsung device. And I'll meet you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.